What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to fold this Origami Rafale fighter jet. This has a reinforced nose and reinforced wings, so it makes it fly really good. So for this model, I used a template which is right here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a 6" square of foil. Let's start. So right side up, fold diagonally in half. Try to make really precise folds and decrease sharply. Now rotate and fold this edge to this edge. And now turn over and repeat. Now unfold and fold this edge on these edges, like that. Now turn over and unfold these. Now rotate and fold this edge to this piece. Repeat here, and now turn over and fold this edge to the center piece and repeat here. Now let's flip this flap so it's like turning the page of a book, and now let's fold on this piece, so like that. And now let's flip it back and make sure this comes to a point right here. You can just fix that, and let's repeat on this flap. So let's turn this over and fold it. You can align it with this edge. Flip it, and now let's form the wings. So let's fold it so that this point touches this crease. Now let's crease it like that, and let's turn over and unfold this and fold this edge to this crease. We are reinforcing the wings. Crease that super sharp and refold. And now let's turn over. What we're going to do here is a tricky step, and we're going to form this flap. So we're going to fold this. We're going to fold this so that this comes to a point. We're folding almost to this point, so it's basically the taste. Increase it sharply, and let's fold this to this edge. It's a really small flap, but we need to fold this. And now let's repeat all of that on this side. So let's fold this so that it touches this piece, and crease this and turn over, reinforce the wings. And let's fold this. Now here you need to be careful so that it stays symmetrical. So what you can do here is you can fold in half and just adjust it, fiddle with the folds. Let's fold this flap. We're almost done now, so you can just adjust it once again. Now let's fold on this crease. The existing crease and repeat here. Now let's jet fold. So what's a jet fold? We're going to reverse fold this. So let's fold the tip of the plane in one hand and let's just make some pinch marks like this along these edges. So we're just reverse folding it. So this is tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy. Like that, it should flatten from the tip and the fin. And again here you can fiddle with the folds, but I think it's symmetrical. Now let's form the fin. So how are we going to form this? Well, there should be a crease here. It goes from here. So maybe you can't see it in my plane, but you should see it in yours. So you can just use that as a guide. It's more of a judgment fold, but you can just use it as a guide, and you can use this crease as a guide too, so that it touches this point. So maybe you can fold it even more. It's just a judgment fold, more of a judgment fold. And when you think it's good, you can just flatten it. Now let's fold the wings up. And let's fold these flaps up. Okay, so here let's form the locking mechanism. So let's fold this edge, both layers, inside the fuselage, and we're going to just make a point here and unfold. And let's just divide it in thirds using this point which we just made, and fold it into the fuselage. This will work best if you're using foil. It stays. Now let's make the afterburners. So let's just roll this edge and fold it inside the fuselage. Don't flatten it. It should just be round. And repeat here. And now let's just fold the wings just slightly, little bit. Repeat here. Not too much, just a little bit. So this is the finished Origami Rafale. You can really appreciate the afterburners when you fold it out of foil. So hope you were able to fold that, and see you later. Bye bye.